Hi there, welcome to edupediaworld.com. You're watching the videos on lines and angles. So in this video we'll discuss some of the multiple choice questions which are generally seen in the examination, like 1 mark or 2 mark. So these questions are related to lines and angles. So again we'll discuss each and every question through concept and example. So let's get started with the first question, that is question number 1. In this figure, the question says, in figure, AB is parallel to CD and it's parallel to EF, and PQ, this line, is parallel to RS. Now RQD, this angle is 25, and CQP, this angle is 60 degree. Then we need to find QRS, means this whole angle. So let's see how we can find this. Now this line AB is parallel to CD, so this angle, the angle this and this angle, let this mark this angle as 1 and this angle 2. So we can say that angle 1 equals to angle 2. Why? They make a pair of alternate angles. Why? Because AB is parallel to CD, so we can say angle 2 is 25. Now we got this part. Now we need to find this part of a angle QRS. Now if we can extend these lines, these parallel lines, and this makes a transversal. So if we see this, we can clearly see that this angle is equals to this angle. We can mark this angle as 3, means angle 3 equals to angle CQP. They are pair of exterior alternate angles. So this means we got this angle as angle 3 as 60. Now AB is straight line, so we can say that angle ARS plus 3, angle 3 will be equals to 180, since AB is a straight line. So we can say that angle ARS will be equals to 180 minus angle 3, which is 60, so which is equals to 120. So we can clearly see that angle QRS will be equals to angle 2 plus angle ARS. So angle 2 is 25 and angle ARS is 120, so we get answer as 145. So we have an option C. So let's move on to the next question, question number 2. The question number 2 says that if one angle of a triangle is equals to sum of the other two angles, then the triangle is what? So let's see how we can solve this. Suppose this is a triangle ABC, and let this angle be X, this be Y, and this be Z. It's given that one angle equals to sum of other two angles. Now as we know, X plus Y plus Z equals to 180. Why? We know it's angle sum property, right? So this means instead of YZ we can write X. So this will become X plus X equals to 180. So we got 2X equals to 180, so we get X equals to 90. Now we get this X as 90. If, as we know that if one angle is 90 in any triangle, then it becomes right angle triangle, right? So the answer is D. Now let's move on to the next question, question number 3. Question number 3 says that an exterior angle of a triangle is 105 and its two interior opposite angles are equal. We need to find each of these angles. Means suppose we have a triangle like this, like triangle A B C, then exterior angle, let the exterior angle is given 105 is equals to interior opposite angles, this angle plus this angle, and these two angles are equal. So this, let's say we can write it as x and x. So we need to find the angle. So we can say that 105 equals to x plus x. As we know, exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. So we can say that 105 equals to 2x. So x is 105 upon 2, so which is 52.5 degree. So each angle is 52.5 degree. So the option is B. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. Now the question number 4 says that the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 5 is to 3 is to 7. We need to tell whether the angle is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, or isosceles angle. So let's see how we can do this. Suppose this is a triangle A, B, C. Now the ratio of each of angle is given. So let ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 7. So let's make this ratio as 5x, 3x, and 7x. So we can write each angle as 5x, 3x, and 7x. So as we know, 5x plus 3x plus 7x equals to 180. Why? Again we can tell it's angle sum property, right? Then it becomes 15x. 5x plus 3x plus 7x is 15x equals to 180. So x is 180 upon 15. So answer will come out to be, it's 180 divided by 15 is 12. So x is 12. So let's find each of the angle. Now first angle is 5x, so the angle will be 5 into 12, so which is 60. Second angle is 3 into 12, which is 36. Next angle is 7 into 12, which is 84, and we can clearly see that each angle is less than 90. So clearly we can say this is an acute angle. So this is acute angle triangle. So the option is A. Now let's move on to the question. Question number 5. The question number 5 says that if one of the angles of a triangle is 30 degree, then the angle between the bisector of the two angles can be. Now it's very good question. Suppose we have a triangle like this. Triangle A, B, C. Now suppose if one angle, this angle is, it's given to be 130 degree, and we have bisectors of other two angles like this. These are the bisectors. This angle equals to this angle, this angle equals to this angle, and they meet at point, let's say O. So we need to find this angle. So let's see how we can find this angle. Now let this complete angle be x, let this complete angle be y. Now so through, if we consider triangle ABC, then it will become 130 plus x plus y equals to 180. Y, we can say it's angle sum property, right? So we get x plus y equals to 180 minus 130, so which is 50. Now if we consider triangle BOC, now this angle, this part of the angle will be x by 2. Why? Because BO is bisector, and this part of the angle will be y by 2. Why? Because CO is bisector. So we can clearly see that x by 2 plus y by 2 plus angle BOC will be equals to 180 degree. Why? You can say it's again angle sum property. So angle BOC will come to be 180 minus x plus y by 2. Now we know that x plus y is 50, so we can put, so it is 180 minus 50 upon 2, so which is 180 minus 25. So 180 minus 25 will be 155. So the answer will come out to be 155. So the angle BOC is 155 degree. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. Now the question number 6 says that if POQ, this line is a straight line, then we need to find the value of x. It's very simple question. Since POQ is a straight line, then we can say that angle 40 plus 4x plus 3x will be equals to 180. Why? Angles on a straight line. So it will come out to be 7x will be equals to 180 minus 40. So 7x will be equals to 140. So x is 140 upon 7, which is 20. So the value of x is 20. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 7. The question number 7 says that if OPQ is 110 and QRS is 130, then we need to find angle PQR. We need to find this angle. So how we can do is, we can extend this line, this parallel line, and this line is also parallel to this, and we can extend this transversal. Now we need to find this angle. So now this angle and this angle are equal. Like we can say this is as angle 1. Angle 1 equals to 110. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Since RS is parallel to PO. Now, so we can say this is 110. Now similarly, now this is a straight line. If this is 130, so this will be 180 minus 130, means let it be angle 2. So angle 2 plus 130 will be equals to 180. Why? Because RS is straight line. So angle 2 is 180 minus 130. So angle 2 is 50 degree. So we got this as 50 degree. Similarly, if this is 110, so this will be 70. Again straight line. Now if we consider triangle, we can say let it this point be T, TQR, then 70 plus 50 plus angle PQR will be equals to 180. Again why? Angle sum property. So it will come out to be angle PQR will be equals to 180 minus 120. Why? 70 plus 50 is 120. So angle PQR is equals to 60 degree. So you got angle PQR is 60 degrees. The option is C. Now let's move on to the last question of the video. Question number 8. Now the question says the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:4:3. The smallest angle of a triangle is. It's very easy question again. Now suppose this is a triangle A, B, C, and these are the angles given. So we can make this ratio as 2x, 4x and 3x. So this becomes 2x, this becomes 4x, and this becomes 3x. Again using angle sum property, you can write 2x plus 4x plus 3x equals to 180. So this becomes 9x equals to 180. Why? It's a angle sum property. So x is 180 upon 9, so which is 20. So we got the value of x as 20. So now the smallest ratio is 2. So we can say the smallest angle will be 2x. So which is 2 into 20, which is 40. The smallest angle is 40. So option is B. So thank you once again for watching this video on edupediaworld.com. Keep watching further videos. Have a nice day ahead.